Hey guys, I'm E02 Pro Beats and welcome to 2-minute mixing tip Tuesday. In today's video I want to show you how you can take your ad-libs from this to this. For me, mixing ad-libs is really important because with nowadays music, ad-libs are really important. I have to make sure that I carve a space of their own. Most of the time that means to place them in a space where they don't fight that much with the main vocals. One technique to do that is to have on the ad-libs a telephone-like effect, like I have in this example. You can achieve this effect by using a regular EQ, but I like using CLA effects. It gives a really nice character, and also I have some other options like tape phase, chorus and widening effect. Before processing the ad-libs, I have a really strong de-esser on just to tame those S's before hitting the CLA effects, because with the CLA effects I will most definitely bring the nasal tone of the ad-libs. Already it sounds pretty nice. I have a C4, this is what I use most of the time when I try to control the vocals. I will have a video on this probably sometimes later this week. Stay tuned for that. Next in the chain is this Waves compressor. Hitting the ad-libs pretty hard because I want the ad-libs to be consistent and in your face. And last in the chain, just to add some special sauce to the ad-libs, meta flanger, mixed really low with just 2%. I really enjoy using the default settings on this meta flanger, and the ad-libs sound like this. As far as sends go, I have 7 Heaven with a hole, Echo Boy as usual, and another bigger reverb with a smooth plate on. Now let's play the ad-libs in context, because I wanted to have a clear separation between the lead and the ad-libs.
Irgendwo da draußen treib ich in den Meier. Und ich frag mich, ist das alles noch normal, ja? Alles was ich will, das Irgendwo da draußen treib ich in den Meier. Und ich frag mich, ist das alles noch normal, ja? Alles was ich will, das Irgendwo da draußen treib ich in den Meier. Und ich frag mich, ist das alles noch normal, ja? Alles was
Now the ad-libs live in their own space. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook. See you guys next time. Cheers.